This is a very simple and a powerful forex strategy. All you need is a one moving average just to identify the overall trend direction, right? So, and let's just start by putting this moving average, and then we actually gonna click at the F plus, and then just choose moving average here, and then here at the moving average, this one is gonna be 50, right? And shift is gonna be 0, and it's gonna be method is gonna be simple, and apply is gonna be closed, guys. So here, make sure that you change this color right here. So I'm actually gonna change it. You're gonna give it any color that you want. I'm actually gonna give it the white, and when you're done, click done, right? Yes, sure. So now if you go back here, you can see that we have our moving 50 moving average. This is a very powerful, guys. This is to determine the overall trend direction. So as you can see, if the market is going down, it's really like the if the market the trend is very strong going down, you can see that the moving average is also going down like that. So I'm going to explain to you guys a lot. Now let's add our last moving average, which is gonna be RSI, right? I want to show you guys how to make money using this very simple strategy. Just click at the F, and then you're gonna have to click at the F plus, and then you're gonna scroll down with relative strength index, which is this one here, RSI. Just click RSI, and then at RSI, just make sure the period is gonna be 14. Make sure the period is 14, and apply, it's gonna be closed. Yes, sir. So here at the levels, make sure that you edit these levels, guys. So the first level, we're only gonna put 2 levels, so you can delete all these levels so that you can start to put them. As you can see, I just deleted, and then I'm gonna add only 2 levels, which is gonna be 70 level, and the other one is gonna be 30 level, right? And then here at the description, 70 is gonna be overbought, and then 30 is gonna be oversold. You understand? So once you're done, just go back and simply click at the done right there. So yeah, as you can see, and if we go back, you can see that we have our RSI done here, right? Here's RSI, and here's the levels 70, 30, and overbought, oversold, right? So now that's simple like that again. So now to trade this for to make money using this strategy, guys, it's very, very simple. Now let me break it down for you and explain to you how you're gonna start making money from now on. All right. So to actually buy, now let's talk about the zoom level. Zoom level need to be like, you can zoom it, and it's any way that you want so that you can see the bigger picture, right? So like this, I like it to keep it like this. So the zoom level doesn't really matter. All that matter is, yeah, you need to make sure that you can see this line clear, this line right here. Make sure that you can see this line clear, and all these lines. That's the only thing that matter, because I'm going to explain to you right now what you need to be looking at. So now to actually open a buy position, right? Now let's talk first about like the pair. It's actually good to trade on a major currency pairs, any pair that you like to trade, right, with the low spread. That's the only pair that you can trade, but overall you can trade on any pair. I just recommend it to trade on a major currency pair like a USD JPY and Euro NZD, those pairs which are well known. So now let's talk about like when to open a buy position. To open a buy position, the first you need to actually wait for 2 things, right? So now if the price is above the 200 the 50 moving average, once you see the price is above, that means that the market now is going up, right? It's now the price is determined that the overall trend is going up, it's uptrend. And now here, make sure also the market is oversold, right? So it's below, it's deep down the 30 level, so the market is down. So once you see the market is down, right, and then the market and the price here on a main chart, and the price is above this moving average, and the market is deep down. So now the only thing that you need to wait now is for you to wait for the market to cross over, to go up from oversold to start going up. So as soon as the market across this 30 level, right, from the bottom to the top, and that's when you open a buy position, a buy position. But make sure that the market is on top, is above the 50 moving average. And your stop loss, guys, is just gonna be below the previous high low, which is gonna be very little, right? So let's say you open a position here and then put your stop loss here. Oh, okay, your stop loss is actually gonna be below the moving average, you understand? So once you open a trade here, your stop loss will be below this moving average, and your take profit, make sure that it's 3 times the stop loss. So your stop loss, your take profit is going to be all the way up there, 3 times your stop loss, like I said. So yeah, so that's how to actually open a buy position. So now let's talk about like to open a sell position. To open a sell position is very simple. The first thing that you need to wait is to actually wait for the market to be below this moving average, and the market to be above overbought line. So you need to wait the market to be below this moving average and the market to be overbought, right? So once to open a sell position, wait for the price to cross the overbought line from the top to the bottom, and the market is below this moving average, and then you're actually gonna open a sell position, right? So once you open a sell position, your stop loss, like I said, is gonna be above this moving average line over there, and your take profit is gonna be 3 times your stop loss, right? But what I always do, gang, I always lock the profits. Whenever I'm in a profit, I keep on locking my profits at the break even, you know, as soon as I'm in profits. You understand? It's a very good trick. It's not even trick. It's a good like it's a good way to actually hold. You know, sometimes like the market keeps on going down. If you are selling, the market can keep on going down. So if you don't want to like take too many trades every day, every time, you can just keep on shifting your stop loss till you get stopped out, and it's very helpful, guys, instead of like quitting. Because like one thing is, we are trading every day. Like me, like I'm a day trader, right? So like if I trade, if I open a trade tomorrow again, I'm gonna trade. So instead of like a closing right now, like in 2 hours, and then I open the same pair again later, so it's just cool for me to actually lock the profits and keep on holding, like, you know, keep on holding stuff like that. So yeah, that's just how to trade, guys. It's kind of easy, looks easy, but like as you can see, gang, that's I just push on a game, and I give you a great strategy right now, man. All you have to do is just to subscribe, like this video, you know. And another thing, guys, I wanted to say is you need a good broker, again. Like, okay, forget about broker. Let's talk about let's talk about let's talk about like, okay, this is strategy here. Make sure you backtest the strategy, again. Make sure you backtest the strategy. Anything that you get from now, everything, every skill, like I'm talking about everything. You can't just like master something like for only 1 day, 2 days, 1 week. You actually make sure like you get a strategy and going back test it, locked in with that strategy, and make sure that you understand it, and it's actually profitable for you. You understand? Locked in with the one strategy. I'm not saying you must take every strategy that I'm uploading, just take one. You understand? So if it's gonna be like a trend line strategy, take that one. If it's gonna be this one here, take this one. If it's gonna be another, the strategy that looks easy for you, that's the one that you're gonna take, and the one that you actually understand and you actually felt it, right? And after that, guy, and then we're gonna move to broker. Make sure you have a good broker, man. I'm sick and tired. A lot of people they be asking like, yo, Wizzy, I'm not getting the same result as you. How are you expecting me? How are you expecting to get same result as Wizzy if you are using a broker that I don't even know, the broker that even like eating you, like the broker that are manipulating you? Make sure that you shift, gang. You are not locked in one broker, so make sure that you shift. I will leave the link down below of the broker that I use, and I will leave the leverage, and also I will leave the account type that you need to start making money with. So yeah, just click the link down below in the description, or go on a Telegram. You know, once you join the free Telegram group, click the pinned message right there, and then you're gonna see the broker that I use. Click the link, and then you're actually gonna start making money. And also, if you want to talk to me, just go on a Telegram group and click on the pin. You're gonna see the place where you're gonna see talk to me right now. You know what I mean? You can actually talk to me right now after this video. Go ahead and send me a message, and I will reply to you again on a Telegram, not anywhere else. All right, that's what I have for today. If any question, let me know down below in the description, gang. I will see you again next video.